First of all, let me start with the definition of annuity. Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals of time. Annuity is also a sequence of payments made at regular time intervals. The time period in which these payments are made is called the term of the annuity, while payment period is interval between annuity payments. There are two types of annuity. First, the ordinary annuity, an annuity in which the payments are made at the end of each payment period. The second one, simple annuity. Simple annuity is when the payment period coincides with the interest compounding period.
For my part, for the case study, Part A, Question 1, Rauda saved 112 ringgit at the end of every 3 months into an account that pays 5% interest compounded quarterly. A. Find the interest earned after 10 years. B. Find the extra amount that she needs to save every 3 months if she wants to have 11,000 ringgit in her account at the end of 10 years. Moving to the next slide, for a question, we would have to extract the information that have been given in the question. So for I equals to 0.05 over 4 and equals to 4 multiplied by 10 equals to 40. So we need to use the future value formula. It is S equals to R in bracket and in bracket 1 plus I powered by N minus 1 over I. So for the A question, we just need to fill in the blank. So R equals to, so R is 112. I equals to 0.05 over 4 and equals to 40. So we just need to finish in the bracket first. So we can get the 112 multiplied by 51.48955008. So we can get the final answer is 5,766 ringgit and 83 cents. So for the question that it wants is the interest earned in after 10 years. So for the formula is pretty easy. So the formula is I equals to M minus by P. So we just put the S amount that we just got, which is 5,766.83 minus by 112 multiplied by 40. So we can get the final answer is 1,286 ringgit and 83 cents. Moving to the next question for B, we just need to use the same formula. But for this question, it wants the extra amount that she needs to save. So we just put the number that she wants, which is 11,000, for the replacement for S. And we just need to want to search for the R amount. So 11,000 equals to R in bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 4 powered by 40 minus 1 over 0.05 over 4. So we just need to settle in the bracket first, and we just transfer the amount that we get in the bracket and transfer it to the other side, and we can get the R amount is 213 ringgit and 64 cents. So that is the amount that she needs to pay every 3 months, but we want to find the extra amount that she needs to add. So we just need to minus 213 ringgit and 64 cents minus RM 112 ringgit. So the final answer and the amount that she needed to add is 101 ringgit and 64 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, it's me again. For question number 2, part 1, Ahmad bought a bungalow for 700,000 ringgit with a 10% down payment. He signed an agreement with ABC Bank to settle the balance at an interest rate of 3.85% compounded monthly. He was required to pay equal monthly payments for 25 years to settle the loan. For A, calculate the monthly payment. And for B, if Ahmad failed to pay the first 2 monthly payments, calculate the amount he had to pay on the third payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. For 2A, we are required to calculate the monthly payment. As we know, the formula for monthly payment is original balance plus interest over a number of payment. And where do we get all these informations? Yes, it is from the questions. So firstly, we need to find the original balance. And firstly, from that, we need to find the down payment. Down payment, as we know, is the 10% from the cash price. So the down payment is 70,000 ringgit. And then we can find the original balance, because original balance is equal to cash price minus the down payment. And then we can get the original balance is 63,000. For the interest, the formula is BRT, and then we get 60,637 ringgit 50 cents. And then with all the informations gathered, we can finally use it to find the monthly payment. And the final answer and the monthly payment is 412 ringgit 13 cents. For B, we are required to find the outstanding arrears for the first 2 monthly payments that we need to settle in the third payment. As we know, outstanding arrears is tunggakan in Malay, and it is to pay the unpaid payments. And for this, we need to use the formula of future value. It is S equal to R, open bracket, and open bracket again, 1 plus I, close bracket, in the power of n, minus 1 over n. And in order for us to find I is equal to K over M, and n is equal to M multiplied by T. And with all the information gathered, as usually, we can put it in the formula, and then the final answer for the outstanding arrears is 207,354 and 23 cents. That is the outstanding arrears for this question. That's all. Thank you. So that's all. Next, the definition of trade and cash discount. A trade discount is a discount on the retail price of something allowed or agreed between traders or to a retailer, like a wholesaler. So in this case, retailers will pay the prices lower than the list price. Meanwhile, cash discount is a reduction in the amount of an invoice that the seller allows if the buyer pays immediately. Hello and Assalamualaikum. I will explain part B, question 1. An invoice of 54,200 ringgit including transportation charge of 1,500 ringgit and insurance charge of 120 ringgit dated 17 July 2021 was given 12%, 10% and 4% trade discount. The cash discount terms offered were 10/16, 6/21 and N/30. Question A. Find the single discount equivalent rate to the trade discount. So just use the formula single discount equivalent rate, which is 1 minus in bracket 1 minus D1, 1 in bracket 1 minus D2, in bracket 1 minus D3. Just fill in the formula with the information given and we get the answer 24%. Question B. Find the last date to get 10% and 6% cash discount. So the last date to get 10% is we need to count 16 days starting 17 July and the last date is 2 August 2021. So the last date to get 6% cash discount is we need to count 21 days starting 17 July and we get the last date 7 August 2021. Last question. Find the total payment if the invoice was paid on 2nd August 2021. So just use the formula total payment, which is net price plus transportation cost plus insurance charge. So just fill in the formula and we got the answer 38,708.41 ringgit.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I will explain part B, question 2. The question is, YL company received an invoice was dated on 14 March 2022 with the handling and transportation costs RM100 ringgit and RMY respectively. The price after trade discount of 50%, 7% and 3% was 56,780 ringgit. The cash discount term offer were 10, 15, 5, 20 and N30. The total payment RM54,591 ringgit was made including handling and transportation costs. For question A is find the list price of the item. Question B, find the transportation charge if she made the payment on 3rd April 2022. Question C, find the total amount of trade and cash discount received by YL company. The answer will be in the next slide. This is my answer for part B, question 2. First thing first, we must make sure to bring out all the informations that have been given in the questions. For question A, find the list price of the items. We need to use a formula where there is a list price in it. The formula will be net price equal to list price bracket 1 minus D1, bracket 1 minus D2 and bracket 1 minus D3. Just fill the formula with all the information that we have and rearrange the equations and you will get the answer for question A, 74,049 ringgit and 44 cents. For question B, we first must make sure if she can get any discounts. Since from 14 March to 3rd April take 20 days, the transportation charge she made on the 3rd April can get 5% cash discounts. So just use the formula where there is a transportation charge in it. The formula will be total payment equal to net price plus handling plus transportations. Just fill in the formula with all the information that you have and make sure to multiply the net price with 1 minus 5 over 100 because she can get 5% discount. Just rearrange the equation and you will get the answer for question B is RM550 ringgit. For question C, find the total amount of trade and cash discount received by YL company. The formula for this question is total discount equal to trade discount plus cash discount. Trade discount is actually list price minus net price and cash discount is actually discount received multiplied by net price. Just fill in the formula with the information that you have and you will get the answer for question C is 20,108 ringgit 44 cents.